Do you enjoy earning passive income while holding a cryptocurrency? Staking is one of the ways you can do that, which is a very common feature in blockchain and crypto. Many crypto platforms or dApps offer staking as a way to incentivize users to hold a token or coin that's backing the platform by offering them a way to have a voice as well as rewards. Zeta.Markets, which is a popular Perpetuals Exchange on Solana, is doing just that. Their native cryptocurrency is called ZEX and can be found on various popular exchanges like KuCoin, MEXC, or more. I recommend downloading Phantom Wallet for both web or mobile. And once your ZEX token is in your wallet, then you simply connect to the Zeta.Markets page, whose link you can find in the description of this video, but also in the pinned comment or the comment in the post if you're watching this on X. Once you stake ZEX, you receive GZEX, the governance score, which determines your staking airdrop, governance power, and an incentive boost. In short, the more and the longer you stake, the higher your GZEX will be. Okay, so let's start with the staking process steps. Now, once you're on the dashboard page under staking, you'll see the stake button here. Of course, it'll tell you what's available in your wallet, what's been staked, and what's already vested, if that is the case. As you can see here, I've got some ZEX. I've got 0 GZEX because I haven't been staking any, but if I want to be staking it, I just click on stake. I'm going to give it a name. Now, because I do have a max Carter limit, I'm just going to call it KC. Next. Now here you need to enter an amount. You can see what's stakeable. It tells you once again what your balance is. So you could choose to stake 100% of that balance, 50% of that balance, and so on. You choose the stake duration as well. Okay, so here you could see that you can choose 30 days as the minimum, and then you can increase that by pulling on the scroll here all the way up to 1,460 days. So that's many, many years. You can vest immediately, or you could lock the stake if you prefer. Okay, and then it tells you what the estimated GZEX is. Okay, so for example, for 100%, my estimated GZEX is 0.02. If I had 25%, it tells me it's less than 0.01. Okay, so it depends on how many ZEX you've got, right? Now, obviously, I can't enter a larger amount than I already have because it is limited, okay, within the application. So it would have been nice to see what you can expect, you know, if you have, say, I don't know, 10,000 ZEX or so. But you'll be able to see that, right? So it'll actually tell you what you can expect here in terms of the GZEX, which I was talking about earlier. So all you have to do now is just click on stake, sign the transaction, and you're done. That's pretty much how you do it. Drop me a comment below if you have staked your ZEX or if you're planning to stake your ZEX. If you are, once again, kind reminder to use my referral link both in the description of this video and in the pinned comment, or if you're watching this on X, you can find it in the comment under the video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.